Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into today's beautiful live session. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So, what I do in my live streams, especially on my YouTube page, is I share with you guys as much information that I truly believe in pertaining to price action. And I share with you guys any trading opportunities that I am anticipating to take on the day. So if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax, and let's get into today's session. I forgot to charge my laptop. Okay, so today's session I will try to share as much important things as possible, which I want to share with you guys based on what I understand the market that is happening as of now. But to be honest, also there's not much of uh, how to say opportunities in the market, but it's not a bad thing. Okay, it's not a bad thing. It's just because those opportunities are still in the making for a potential powerful move up or down. That's it. Okay. So I first want to share with you guys with the crypto space, starting off with ETH. So if you guys remember the zone, right? I shared with you guys that we could be potentially. I didn't advise any of you guys to enter, but we could potentially be seeing a move towards the upside, especially for Dogecoin as well. So Dogecoin very beautifully made a move towards the upside. I did not enter this trading opportunity. The reason being is because today I was very busy cooking. I cook ayam masam merah. Like, I enjoy cooking, and then my parents was coming over to my house today, so that's why I was making a feast. So I didn't really enter, but I am looking to enter a trading opportunity for Euro USD. Okay, maybe later on. I will share with you guys why also. Alright, so don't worry. That's the forex pair that we'll be looking into, and I also want to share with you guys an update about gold, which we spoke about yesterday, where I show a potential target. I told you guys do not enter it. Because we are close by an all-time high, and I said that we are about to make a new all-time high, so everything will up to what how to say I will update you guys lah. So ETH, just to share, this zone is currently holding as of yesterday, and we are seeing a beautiful momentum move towards the upside. There was an entry opportunity during London session, okay, basically around this area. Let me highlight to you guys around this area, okay, which of course I missed out. I was cooking. I'm still not so good at cooking very fast. But cooking good, okay. So far, I don't know. Everybody they say nice. I hope they mean it lah. But cooking fast, I'm still training to do that. I will do that eventually. But overall, ETH is moving healthily, slowly but healthily towards the upside. Do I think these targets may be taken out today? Not so sure. We cannot be sure for anything because you see, usually New York session, right? Okay, we have powerful move, but usually after New York session is the very powerful momentum. So we have to understand if New York sessions, right, bulls are currently still in the market, then most probably we have a chance whereby after New York session cuts off, we may see powerful moves all the way taking out these targets resting above. This could happen. Definitely this could happen. But I to be honest, I'm also anticipating to enter for ETH, but not yet because we are currently in an impulse directional move up. So how does market moves? We all understand impulse pullback, right? The pullback won't necessarily be this long, or sometimes it can be shorter also. So it depends. We need to understand our zone and our criteria. Once that pullback happen, is everything in par? Everything playing? If everything is playing according to how we understand the market, enter, no problem. But overall, I am bullish for ETH as of now. Solana, I mean, yes, we made a powerful move towards the upside. Yes, this key level was something that the price was actually holding on to very beautifully, as you can see. Okay, price was respecting this key level, and we made a move towards the upside. BTC also powerfully made a move towards the upside. This was the zone that was holding the price level. This target not taken out. It was taken out yesterday. Yes, it was taken out yesterday during our New York session lah. Suddenly, it's a very very powerful move, guys. Insanely powerful move. It took out our target. Let me just remove the target. We don't need the target anymore. But currently, right now, we are inside of a key level range. So now it's a bit interesting lah to see how price will start to react. I will wait and see if there is potential selling opportunities or not for BTC. If we start to see bears come inside of the market within this key level. So BTC To be honest, nothing much yet. I'm still mainly focused on ETH because ETH we still have some room to grow. Solana is also very beautifully lah because we did went above this key level, and I do have potential targets here to potentially be aiming for a buying opportunity. We also do have a current kind of a current zone. Let me just confirm. I don't want to simply give you guys any opportunity to enter. If you want to enter, please enter properly. Don't simply enter the market. We're not training you guys to be gamblers. I know whenever I say we, right, it's actually just me. I don't have a team or anything. It's just me. But yeah. So essentially, we did make the break towards the upside. We came down, and then this would be our buying opportunity lah for move up. If this we entered here, already out, almost out already, almost 1 to 3 already, which is beautiful lah. So there's still a chance for potential entry model for Solana. So I'm prioritizing ETH and Solana lah. Okay. Coming to Dogecoin, we made a powerful move towards the upside. We do have this target which we highlighted yesterday. I think this target may be taken up compared to ETH, right? Because ETH has quite some distance to move to. This target, I believe, can be taken out during New York session. If only if bulls are interested to be in the New York session markets, which is what I'm waiting for. Okay, that is essentially what I'm focusing on right now for potential buying opportunities. So Dogecoin is also quite interesting for me. So I'll be focusing on one of these markets lah. I will see which one plays out first for potential buying opportunity. I'm not seeing anything yet. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything yet happen. So during New York session, then I will really see something lah. Usually like that, guys. If you're not seeing anything right now, right? Don't force yourself to see something in the market. Wait, just be patient and wait. If you don't see that all, it's okay. Trade tomorrow. This is the hardest thing as a newbie traders, and also sometimes. So I used to think this way that when I see online people keep finding opportunity means I'm not good enough. No, you are perfect. Okay, you guys are amazing. Everybody is different. Everybody trade uniquely. If you see one of the big shop traders, right? They trade once a month, sometimes once a week, once every 2 weeks, but they earn like more than anybody else. So trading is not necessarily somebody can find 10 opportunities in a day, and one person can find one opportunity in a week. Means that you are not as pro as the person that can find more opportunities. No such thing. There is no criteria, to be honest, in trading to tell you if you are extremely pro or not, or you're extremely not pro. Even win rate also is not considered a criteria to consider you are extremely good at trading or not. I know certain people that are popular also online where their win rate is about 20%, 30%, but they are profitable. They are verified on FTMO also. I also know traders that have win rate of 50% but cannot pass FTMO account. So it's not okay. Trust me, trading don't have a standard level to be like, oh, if you're here only means you're very pro. Like for example, you go for examinations. If you're A plus student versus you're just an A student, of course the A plus student we are considering them as a most pro one, right? But we don't have that in trading. There is no bar set in trading. So however you trade, if it's working for you, be happy. Don't compare yourself to anybody else. I sometimes do it now not so frequently, last time a lot. So that messes up my psychology and also my thinking process. So I don't want that to happen to you guys. However you're trading, if it's working for you, you're perfect. Okay, just work on your craft. Don't care about anybody else. Good evening, teacher. Hello, good evening. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. Today I do a bit early because past few times I've been doing late for you guys. I'm very sorry. Also, my parents are still here. They're watching a movie. So that's why I want to do the live stream, make sure I don't skip it out for you guys. And then I can go and continue seeing the movie. Okay, so let's go into Forex pairs. Guys, this was our target. I told you guys I wouldn't recommend to enter, but if you guys, anybody entered for buying opportunity, congratulations to you. This was basically our limit, and gold made a new high already. Three, right? New high, right? Let's check. Yeah, new high, guys. Gold made a new high. We are currently sitting at 3,544.25, but that's not the highest point, of course. This is the highest point, which is how much is this? Hold on, 3,549.660. That is the highest point that gold made. I still believe gold will move higher, but again, if you guys watched my live stream yesterday, I shared with you guys the concept that I believe in, which is the rocket ship concept. If you haven't watched yesterday's live stream, you can watch it. I teach you guys why I don't trade. I would say all-time highs. Okay, it's not necessarily a bad thing. All-time highs, definitely not a bad thing. But I prefer to know or not know, have a understanding of where price may land to versus the abyss. I don't know where is price going to go, how high is price going to go, when is price going to potentially reverse. I don't know this. If you want to see something I show in a bigger time frame, easier to see. At one point in time, this was the highest point in gold. Okay, this one, sorry, this one, yeah, this was the highest point in gold. I remember this day also. Okay, this was 16th of June this year. Okay, I remember the moment also. I was like, wow, gold is at the highest point already. Okay, after that, say, made a powerful move down. How many people do you think were still holding buys, guys? A lot, a lot. Okay, there were a lot of SLs here, SLs here, SLs here, SLs here, SLs here, SLs here. All of it was taken up, and then we made an almost new high. Okay, we live stream this all, because we live stream almost every day. We live stream all of this. You guys can search 16 of what? 16th of June, a live stream. You can guys can search 23rd of July live stream. We all spoke about it. See, made the move all the way down after it come almost making a new high. Then my wife came in the room. Yeah, so you see, and then after that we move all the way down. See the same thing? Almost nearby, not really almost a bit far, but then we make all the way and move down. Then suddenly we burst all the way up. So remember, if we have targets, if we have a certain understanding of prediction of where potential price is about to land to, is better to trade, in my opinion. It doesn't mean you cannot trade. That's not what I'm saying. We don't have an SOP user for trading, guys. I mean, we set our own SOPs, our own criteria, but it's not set in stone, no, that you have to do it this way. Thank you so much. It's not like a set in stone that you have to do it this way. That's not trading. Trading is, I always love to use this concept last time. I call it the Rubik's Cube concept. So essentially, what that means is to solve a Rubik's Cube, there is mainly one goal, right? It's either you want to solve one side or you want to solve the entire Rubik's Cube. But there's I don't know, million or billion combinations. I'm not sure, but so many combinations and strategies to reach that destination. That is trading. There is no SOP which strategy you use to solve a Rubik's Cube. As long as it works for you and you can get to the end result, then awesome. That is essentially trading. So even though I told you guys, I wouldn't recommend to enter for buying opportunity yesterday, even though we have clear targets. This is the only clear target. Even though I said I believe my goal will be making a new high, did I enter? No, I didn't enter. Did price give opportunity? Yes, but it doesn't mean I should take the entry. This is another hardest thing about being a trader. Seeing an opportunity arise, but you making a decision purposely to not enter. So this is another difficult thing now. Trading alone, guys, is not hard. It's just pressing button buy and sell. And for you to use technical analysis is also not hard. Once you practice, 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 it will come naturally to you. You basically can look at the chart and you can draw everything in your mind. It's not difficult. Maybe now you may be saying, "Oh yeah, yeah lah, you know what to do 4 years already. That's why you say like that." I know how it sounds like. I know, but trust me, whatever you're doing today, so even if you're working, okay, whatever career you're doing, guess what? When the first day when you started to do it, definitely is not you're not pro at it as you are today, right? It's because you know technically how to do it already. It's in the back of your head, imprinted already. Even breathing, okay. This one I saw on YouTube. Like, all of this saying are not mine. Okay, just I believe in them. This is what they say is true. Even breathing, we don't think about it. But you don't know no, how much of mechanical things that is happening inside of our body for us to breathe. We pull in air, our lungs have to take in the air. Okay, it gives us some kind of filtration inside because lah, most of the air we breathe in is carbon dioxide anyhow also. But our lungs will help us to really filter that out as much as possible, and then we take out all of the bad air. But we don't think about it. But we're doing it naturally. Why? It's mechanically already set in our mind to do it. That is what trading can be for you if you practice. Trading is easy, but the decisions we make as a trader, that's the one that is the most difficult one, especially emotions. Emotions will always cause us to take bad trades. Even myself nowadays, also sometimes I still do take bad trades, but that's part of the game. That is why very strict in the way how I trade, so that I can make myself prevent myself from taking a lot of trading opportunities. I just take the ones that is the most quality one based on my eyes. That's all. Okay. Last week I never take any crypto trades. This week also until now not yet, because I didn't see much quality trades yet. Even though actually okay lah. ET. Hello sir. Hello Lion. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. So even ETH also, yes, there is a potential opportunity, but I didn't enter because why? I was focusing on cooking. Leave it. It's okay. There's always another opportunity. Remember, we can find opportunities daily if we have the skill set. All right. So if you guys would like to learn, also, I do have my own personal certificate program, which you don't have to have any prior experience to trading. We will go through a 6 weeks course with you. I always say we. Actually, it's just me. I don't know why I always say we. Whereby by the end of the 6 weeks time, everything that I draw, all of my predictions I give you guys, everything you also will be able to do the same within 6 weeks time. So if that sounds interesting, you can reach out to me. I have links in the description below, my WhatsApp link and also my Instagram handle, which you can follow me. So if you like, you can just reach out to me, then text me and let me know if you want to find out more details about the course. If not, I'm more than happy still for you guys to just join my live stream, because I just want to teach 10 people. It's like a purpose thing that came to me. That's it. After 10, then that's it. I just want to teach 10 people. Okay, guys. So that's for gold. Let's go into the pair that I see an opportunity, which is Euro USD for potential buying opportunity. So I did also leave in targets lah. These are all targets. This is actually a little bit more of an extreme level. We do have targets here also lah. This is another one here, which we can potentially be aiming for also. So essentially, these are, you can see like all session highs. I don't usually just aim for session highs. It's just based on the clearest form of liquidity that I can find as of now. So that's why I'm just putting them like. We also have another one here. So this is basically roughly a mitigation level, which we can aim for. Okay. If my bias is correct, if bulls are consistently going to be pushing price towards the upside for Euro USD, which is what I believe in now, I think this first target, second target is most likely to be taken up. The third target, there is a chance, yes, but the fourth one onwards, maybe tomorrow. I don't think that will happen today because this is quite a big jump lah. If you want to go, so it's quite a big jump lah. You can see so Asia session just here. London, even though we had a powerful move, it's just here, just roughly here only. So we cannot expect New York session to push all the way up unless got some really impactful news, and also if the news is supporting the buyers that we currently have, then only can. If not, means I don't really think. Again, I could be wrong. Okay, we never know the markets. We never know. Potentially, it can go down also. Okay, I can be wrong also. All right, that's trading. See, these two targets is not something I'm very focused on, but these two targets is something that I'm focused on now because it's a lot more practical. There's a lot more possibilities in price to move in that direction now. Okay. Again, still guys, pay attention. We still need to see if bears are going to be supporting these buyers or not based on the New York session. My laptop battery is going to finish really also. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's the main thing lah. Actually, that I want to share with you guys for forex side. I did try to analyze something about AUD USD also. Yes, we are making a move towards the upside. Yes, but I did not see a clear enough zone for potential entry opportunity for us to focus on. Okay, if you guys want me to show you that zone, okay, this is the ones for any of our students that are joining the live stream. You guys will understand why the zone is here. Okay, so price is not really showing an interest to come inside the zone, but again, I could be wrong. There's a reason why I never removed my ultimate target, which I set last week, which I believe price is going to take out. Even this week, also starting here, 1st of September, I thought it was going to take it out. It didn't. Okay, almost, but it didn't. But still, nevertheless, a target will always remain a target until being taken out. Okay. So do I believe this is something that price is going to? Yes, I do. Do I believe now is that potential opportunity? Highly likely. Okay. Do I believe we can find an entry opportunity? That depends. It depends on New York session. Because when New York session kicks in, now we are basically pre New York session, which is usually the golden opportunity for me happens lah. That's why also after this live stream, I'm going to end it right now also, and then I'm going to focus on potential entry opportunities because I missed yesterday. I never traded at all yesterday, so I want to find trading today. I traded only on Monday for Euro USD. Okay, so I'm waiting basically for price to come inside this range. Show me something important prior to potentially aiming for a buying opportunity. Okay, I want to see if bulls are going to support me or not. If we come inside the zone, if we don't, if we just hit this level, even though I waited since last week, it is okay. Why? We can find other opportunities. That's the skill set, you know. Once you have a skill set in trading, yeah, you eventually lah. Eventually, if you have a lot of experience already, you will understand that it is okay when an opportunity just goes like that, it's okay because you found the opportunity in the first place, right? You can find it again and again and again and again. Basically, it repeats because the way how I trade never change. It's the same. It's always been the same. Okay, that's a lie lah. From the first few years, of course, I got other trading strategies, but I mean when I found the one that made me profitable, which is not only the strategy by the way, is also decision making and risk management. Of course, they have to go together. It's not only strategy. If it's only strategy, everybody can be profitable. You can just search on YouTube trading strategies. You just find someone you like and then learn the strategy. Done, settled. I also got do some videos, episode 1, 2, and 3 on it clear breakdown of like order blocks, okay, support and resistance. So you guys can even use that in trade. Can. So it's not only strategy. It's about your mindset, decisional making, and then understanding your risk management. Yeah, all of this has to tie together for you to be successful because trading is a business. Also, not something that I came up with. It's something that I learned from online. Trading is essentially a business. You cannot expect a business to be doing. I mean, we want to, but you cannot be expecting business to be doing well every single day. There will be times where the business may face losses, and that's essentially trading. You're a business person. You're a businessman, businesswoman, okay? But eventually, there will be times where your business may fail, but it does not mean it's the end of the world for you. It is only the end of the world for you if you give up. Okay, I hope that concept is understandable because it was for me when I saw it online. I hope it was for you guys also. Okay, so USD show so far still looking good lah. It's still moving towards the upside. So essentially, I'm just waiting to see how this will play out. If this play out beautifully, awesome because I really want to enter for Euro USD. And I'm also waiting for potential buying opportunities for ETH, Solana, and also Dogecoin. Sorry, yeah, essentially Dogecoin lah, but Solana looks nice lah, guys, because you see we are inside of this zone right now. Huh? You see this kind of leg move down, right? Is not simply all of these weeks, all of this movement in the market is not randomized, guys. Okay, really pay attention to them. They are all in a purpose, all for a purpose. Why they move in certain directional bias, why they move in such a way, why we see long wicks, big candles, all of them got purpose. Okay, I give you a very simple one right now before I end the live stream. This big bullish candle is caused due to either can be news or some big deal happening somewhere in the around the world. Okay, and when that big deal or news or someone with so much money did something, that's why this big candle formed. When this big candle form, why the candle slowly move down is because there's a purpose. Because market does not like gaps. What did this do? It created a gap. Hence, why the market moved towards the downside. Again, market don't have to do this. It's not 100% because nothing is 100% trading. But this is the basic understanding of fair value gap. So market moved down, you see, until we close the gap. This is the end of the gap. Okay, we closed it, and then we start to move towards the upside. Why we also start to move towards the upside? It is because essentially we were already bullish, right? Essentially we were already bullish, and then what did we create? A bullish fair value gap. So the matrix behind bullish fair value gap is when price come down to fill it up, Essentially, we should be seeing bullish momentum move towards the upside. This is all playing by the book. Essentially, this is one sense of price action. Basically, we are reading what price is doing. I'm also realizing how many times I'm saying the word basically, so I apologize in advance. Okay, guys, I think I'll end the live stream here. I hope that was insightful for you as it was for me. Do leave a comment in the comment section below. Any potential future videos that you would like to see from me. I know I told you guys a new video is coming out. It is, trust me, it is. It's been a while since I'm editing, but going to finish already. Okay, once the video is edited ready, then you guys can watch it live. I will post it on my Instagram and everything. Okay, if I take any trading opportunities, so I will share with you guys on my Instagram story. Hopefully, there is a trading opportunity for me for crypto space because I haven't been trading crypto for quite some time already. Let's see, lah. Let's see for Solana. Maybe Solana will give me the opportunity. Let's see. Have a wonderful rest of the day, traders. I think I'll end the live stream here. I will catch you on the very next live stream. Thanks. And no worries. Thank you guys so much for joining. Peace out.